Oh my god. Where did all the rain go right here? Am I that wet? Is my makeup smeared?
No.
I need to get waterproof it. Where did that old guy go?
What little guy?
What is it? Your turn.
There's no rain at all.
Go through the thingy.
Go through thinking my shoes are already wet.
Come back.
I got pee down my leg.